In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect your JBL Wave Flex to iPhone or iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The JBL Wave Flex features Bluetooth support, so connecting them wirelessly to an iPhone or iPad is super simple. You will be able to do it effortlessly, and all that you have to do is make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your device. So on your iPhone or iPad, go over to the settings and access the Bluetooth capabilities. In there, you will be able to make sure that it is enabled, so toggle it on if it is disabled, and now you need to pair up the JBL Wave Flex. To do this, put both earbuds inside of the case, and now close and then open the lid again. Take out the earbuds and they should activate, meaning that they are in pairing mode. If they don't go into pairing mode, that can be seen by the LED flashing on the earbuds, then all that you have to do is press and hold the JBL button on the earbuds themselves. Once the LED starts flashing, they are going to be in pairing mode, and if you look at your iPhone or iPad screen, they are going to appear under the list of compatible devices, and all that you have to do is tap on them to connect. Immediately upon tapping on the option to connect, they will be paired up, and now all of the audio coming through your iPhone or iPad is going to go through them. And you don't have to repeat this process. Once Bluetooth is enabled and you pair them up once, every single subsequent time that you take them out of the case, they will automatically pair up and you will be able to hear all of the audio coming through the device on the JBL Wave Flex. You don't have to repeat this manually every single time. If you notice that they don't go into pairing mode, check to see if there is any plastic film between them and the connections on the case, but for the most part, this is all you have to do. And upon pairing them up once, they are automatically going to be assigned with the iPhone or iPad. You can connect it to both at the same time, and as long as you are in close proximity when you take them out of the case, they will automatically pair up and be ready to be used. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect JBL Wave Flex to iPhone or iPad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.